Sometimes we get random DMs, and we got a quick one from a listener, Cody, that I figured that we should probably address. It's really quick. It just says, "Hey, Ben and Kelly, I've always wanted to know if you've ever done the show on drugs. LOL. That's all. Thanks, Cody."
That answer is no. Short segment. Next.
But I thought, what would it sound like? I mean, I just like the phrase, "I wash my banana."
Okay. I think that audio has been manipulated a scotch.
Yeah, it has. It's been slowed down. Hang on.
I mean, it makes sense based on their argument and why they say you should do it.
Wow. How many cocktails might I have had in that
Probably
segment?
still not gonna ever do it, though.
What are we even saying? What are we even talking
We're
about?
talking about bananas. Hang on. Yeah. I mean, I try to wash my banana every day. Wait.
What is this show about?
Something tells me we're deviating from
Ants hold grudges. Okay, wait.
I did not know that ants hold grudges. Like they're really mad if you crush their little ant hill.
Are you kidding me?
This takes us 15 years to get a sentence out.